Welcome to Accessing the Online Consumer Reports magazine for free. Consumer Reports offers testing and ratings of consumer products, buying guides, public education, and more. Normally, accessing these articles requires a Consumer Reports subscription. However, you can access the online magazine for free with your Ocean County Library card. The Consumer Reports magazine database can be viewed from your home, school, or any computer which has internet access. Here is a short tutorial that will guide you through the process. Here is what you will need before getting started. You will need an Ocean County Library card, access to Wi-Fi or an internet connection, and of course, a digital device. This presentation will explain how to access consumer reports using the library website. However, if you have a mobile device such as a tablet or a smartphone, you can certainly install the Ocean County Library app and access consumer reports that way. You can access the Ocean County Library website by going to theoceancountylibrary.org. Once on the website, hover your mouse over the Resources tab and then click on Databases. This will bring you to the library's database page. You can search for the Consumer Reports magazine by typing in Consumer Reports in the search box, or scroll down through the list of databases and find Consumer Reports. All databases are listed alphabetically. Once you find Consumer Reports, click View. Next, click Open Database. This is where you will need your library card. Enter your 14-digit library card number without any spaces into the box and click Sign In. You are now in the Consumer Reports magazine database. If you look to the right of your screen, you will see all issues categorized by year. Let's click on the current year, 2020, and you will see each issue listed by month. Now, dishwasher ratings are in the March 2020 issue, but in this tutorial, I just want to browse the May 2020 issue. So let's click on May 2020. So here is our results page. Notice how there are 23 articles in total within the May 2020 issue. Here you can browse the results and open an article within this issue that interests you. But what if I wanted to search for something more specific? Let's say I wanted to search for smartphone ratings, and I didn't know what issue they're in. Well, there's a way to do that. Let's go back to our main navigation page. Click on Search within this publication, and you will be brought to the Master File Premier database. This database allows you to search for current and back issues of thousands of magazines. First, look at the search box. The word Consumer Reports is in quotation marks. When you surround your search terms with quotation marks, you are telling the database that the words must appear as an exact phrase. Master File Premier has already done this for you. Next, under Search Modes, click on Boolean Phrase. I will explain why in just a bit. Click Full Text. This will ensure you retrieve results in full text and not just the abstracts. Next, you can limit your search by publication date. You do not have to do this, but I always find it helpful when I want to only retrieve articles published within the last year. Finally, we are ready to type in our search terms. Like I said before, the word Consumer Reports will always be in the search field. Because we are conducting a Boolean search, we will need to insert a Boolean operator after the word Consumer Reports. Now, you're probably wondering what a Boolean operator is. Boolean operators are words that connect search terms to create a logical phrase that a database can understand. Most library databases are designed to work with Boolean operators. The three main Boolean operators are and, or, not. We will only be using the word and because it tells the database that all search terms must be present in the results. If you look again at the search box, I entered "and smartphone" so that the database will retrieve only articles within the Consumer Reports publication having to do with smartphones. Click Search. And here are the search results for smartphones in the Consumer Reports magazine dating back to January 2019. Notice how there are a total of 5 search results, a lot fewer than before, and all articles are in full text. Let's click on the first article, Get Smarter About Your Smartphone. And this article is a few pages long. I scrolled down to the last page and found the product ratings for smartphones. This is exactly what I was looking for. Now, what's great about this database is that if you look to the right side of your screen, you'll see a line of small icons. And these icons will allow you to save the article to a Google Drive account if you have one. You can print the article out, or you can email the article to yourself. Let's take a closer look at how to email the article to yourself or to multiple people. To email the article to yourself or to multiple people, click on the email icon. An email panel is displayed above. Enter in the email address. To send the article to more than one email address, use a semicolon between each email address. You can enter a subject to appear on the email subject line, and you can enter any comments you would like to include with your email. Below you will see an option to send the article in plain text format. This is if you want the article to contain only plain text embedded within the email. I don't advise this since your article contains charts, graphics, and color. Next, to the right of your screen, you will see HTML and PDF formats checked off as a default. Below is the standard field format. Most users will choose the default detailed citation and abstract. However, you can check off citation format if you would like to save your citations in a specific format. After checking off citation format, a drop-down list will appear. Click on the citation format that you would like. Finally, click Send. An email confirmation box will appear and you will see your email address or addresses listed. Next, click Continue. And there you have it. If you access your email account, you will find the article listed under your subject heading. Thanks for watching Accessing the Online Consumer Reports magazine. If you need additional assistance or if you have any questions, you can text us at 732-943-1625. You can chat with us live on our contact page, and if you need assistance after hours, email us. And of course, you can visit us anytime at theoceancountylibrary.org. Thanks for watching.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.